Oh, wow.
That turned out much better than I expected it would. Today we are making edible chocolate bowls. You'll need a balloon, Nutella, a crusher or a pounder, whatever you call this, to crush your hard candy of your choice. I chose Lifesavers. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate, and blackberries. And so I'm going to, oh, and there's Cool Whip in the fridge. I just did not want that to melt before I needed it. And so you're going to take one bag, in my case of dark chocolate, and put it in there. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and stir. That's perfect. Put our balloon inside chocolate. You eat the rest. I get a spoon. Now I'm going to crush my candies in the bag. So now we have let this set for about 3 hours. And we're going to pop it with this pin.
Oh, wow.
That turned out much better than I expected it would.
Wow.
Just leave it like that. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay. And so now we're going to go get the Cool Whip, the Nutella, and the icing bag. Put the Cool Whip, just the whole thing, into my bowl. Now you're going to add a couple spoonfuls of Nutella. So get your piping bag and your tip. You're going to put it in your cup. And you're going to fold the edges like this. Now we got our piping bag full, and we're going to just squeeze it into our bowl. We're going to take our crushed candy and sprinkle it on top. And now I'm going to add 3 blackberries, and you've got an edible chocolate bowl.